Good morning, everybody. Rob Howard, RJH Motorbike Training. What if I get a puncture on my motorbike on the roads? A question, common question with new riders, whether it be CBT level or full license. What do you do if you get a puncture? A little bit of an explanation then. So what I find is by carrying a plug-in kit, and you can easily and quickly complete a roadside puncture repair. I have a video down below of myself repairing a puncture. A plug-in kit, it's inexpensive and it takes very little time. Alternate to that, on the road, you need to be a member of AA, RAC, breakdown recovery, call them out. That can take a few hours, inconvenience, so on. So I do find a plug-in kit is a very quick, easy fix. Not saying it's permanent, there's mixed views on that, but I have successfully plugged a tyre on my bike and ridden it continuously again until the new tyre needed replacing. So, as I say, what if I get a puncture on the roads? Have a look at the link below. Hope that helps. Anybody else got any solutions? Let me know in the comments below. Have a good day. Bye.